All right, so now we're getting a second opinion. What do you think so far? How's it feel?
No.
Let's go up one. We'll just go to the middle. This is medium. All right? See, so that we're in the middle. What do you think? See how it squeezes in here, right there?
Barely.
Yeah. We got to turn it up, I think, a little bit more. Does it feel good?
Yeah, I think so.
It's like rubbing on the bottom of your feet,
Yeah.
right? Like it's going, and then it squishes like this. And I got the heat on.
I don't feel any heat. You don't have the heat on.
Let me see. Oh, there we go. Now we got heat on. You want to try it? Want to go to the next level?
I don't know.
Want to go to the next?
Maybe just the air.
All right, good. Next level on
That's
there.
the squeezing?
Yeah, it's the squeezing.
And I can stop it too?
Yeah, you can stop it. You got to press a little bit harder.
Is it this? Oh, vibrate here.
That's it. Yeah, now you're on the high. And if you want more vibration, you just press that one. You want to do more vibration? See how it's like... What do you think?
I just totally released it all. Let's see, it's gonna squeeze now.
Yeah, it goes back and forth. Like it squeezes and then it unsqueezes. Do you want me to do this one? High?
No.
You sure?
Yeah, because I don't really like those kneading. In some of those places, I like the squeezing.
I think it.
Yeah,
I like it as hard as it can
I'm
go.
not crazy about the kneading. So can I do no kneading?
Well, you can't turn it off. You want to turn this off?
Can I
You go like that and then like that.
Okay.
That's off.
So yeah.
So now you're just doing
Right.
squishy
Let's see
and
what that-
vibration.
Huh.
Which I think the kneading's the best part. No heat now. What do you think? If you like this video, you can buy this on Amazon. I'll put a link in the details.